sticky nails, expensive nails, sweet nails, tasty nails, salty nails. Which one would you get done? Welcome to our new nail salon. Holly, I don't like it here. Yeah, Cindy, it's way too simple and boring. But Lillian knows how to lure clients to her salon. She turns it into a TikTok universe in just a second. No one can resist TikTok magic, especially Holly. Whoa, this is my dream nail salon. I love TikTok and everything on it. I need a trendy manicure right now. How about nails with Coca-Cola? This nail art will get a ton of likes. Oh yeah, this is genius. Cindy, hold that. And now I'll open a Coke just like they do it on TikTok. Whoa! Cindy prefers opening Coke the old school way. The girls really love the TikTok nail salon. Cindy wants to copy another life hack from TikTok. Transfer a skin stamp onto a nail. It looks very simple on TikTok. Apply nail polish on your skin. Move a plastic card over it to remove the excess and spread it over your skin. Place a stamp pad on top, but the polish from the skin doesn't get transferred to the stamp. Lillian is an experienced professional. She knows this life hack won't work, and she offers her tried and tested method. Apply gel paint to skin. Spread it over the skin. Put on a stamp. A skin pattern gets on the stamp. Next, transfer the stamp onto a nail. Dry it with a lamp. Secure it with clear polish. There you go, it worked! Now Cindy has her own line of fate on her nails. Holly, look, it worked! But Holly fell asleep while Cindy was finishing her manicure. Holly is having a magical dream. She's on a tropical island. It's sunny and peaceful, and she has a personal servant with palm leaves. Ouch! You are going way too hard. Easy! Too bad it was just a dream. But Holly came up with a method to make her dream come true. Cindy, move! I need exotic nail art based on my dream right now. Sure! Lillian will be using a life hack with a stamp and pigments. Apply pink and yellow pigment to a nail stamp. Apply a drop of gel paint to a stamping plate. Spread it over the pattern with a card. Place the stamp on the plate. And transfer the pattern onto a white nail. The pattern doesn't turn out very well. Let's try it a different way. Place the stamp with the remaining pigment on a nail covered with a sticky layer of gel polish. Now the pattern is perfect. Coat it with matte polish. Make different patterns on nails. Lillian nailed this exotic manicure. But wait, there's more. Hi, Holly. Whoa, that's him, the guy from my dream. Lillian, you are a real magician. Thanks. Playing beach volleyball is so much fun, especially when a rainbow appears over the ocean. The ball flies right through it and leaves a special rainbow nail art on the nails. Attach a strip of tape to the middle of a nail. Apply a few shades of nail polishes to a sponge. Remove the excess polish and make an imprint on the tip of the nail. Remove the tape. Dip the brush in dissolvent and adjust the edge, shaping a neat French manicure tip. Coat with clear polish. Create a French manicure with different shades of polishes. Whoa, Lillian, look! My nails became the color of the rainbow. Now I'm the most colorful babe at this beach. How did she do it? I want that too. Come on, nails, turn into a rainbow. Troom is popular even in a different galaxy. Whoa! Earthly nails are a hot trend right now. I need some too. Honey, I want to go to Lillian's nail salon on Earth. Have you seen my hands? I don't even have nails. I need to go there right now. I can't take it anymore. Honey, it takes thousands of light years to go there. Fine, fly, be beautiful. Phew. Hi, Lillian. I came to you to get my nails done so they look like human ones. Whoa! It's the first time Lillian has ever had such a green client. What an amazing tan! Where are you from? But the alien doesn't understand her. Well, then Lillian will create an unusual nail design for her client. Take the metallic piece off an old brush with pliers. Cut a press-on nail with scissors along the edges. Polish with an electric nail drill. Coat a press-on nail with black gel polish and dry it with a lamp. Hot glue the brush on. Apply the top layer and dry it. Rub in silver dust after the layer dries. Secure it with a top layer and dry it again. Glue brushes to all the press-on nails this way. Space nails with brushes. What an unusual design. The important thing is it's very useful. Now our alien guest can paint her galaxy with her nails. This is what my house looks like. It's very cozy. I live on this star, and these are my neighbors. Lillian, hi! I want a new nail design to match my t-shirt. Can you make something? Sure, let's make an adorable manicure. I'll use TikTok magic and pick some fresh strawberries. Mmm, so juicy! There we go! Now I have eco-friendly materials for your nail art. Coat a nail with burgundy polish and attach triangular pieces of decorative tape. Apply green polish on top. Carefully remove the tape. Copy on all the nails. Strawberry nail art is done! It matches your t-shirt perfectly, Kelly! The girls want to light up a bonfire outdoors. But nothing is working. Apparently the fire is taking a day off today. I have an idea. Let's please the fire spirits with lit nail art. Apply red polish to a white nail. Then add a strip of yellow polish and another strip of black. Make patterns with a thin brush so it looks like fire. Create fire on 2 nails. Coat the rest with red, yellow, and black. Whoa, Kelly! Your nails are on fire! Wow. Let's roast our marshmallows over them! This manicure is lit! Hi, Holly! How are you? I have great news! Look at the ring my boyfriend gave me! Wow, it's very beautiful! But I need to go! Bye, bestie! Cindy isn't any better than I am. I can make my own ring from regular gel nail polish. Apply gel polish to the edge of the cap. Dry it with a lamp. Remove the hardening ring. Degrease it beforehand. Polish the ring with a nail file. Apply some glue to the ring with a brush and attach nail rhinestones. Dry with a UV lamp. Apply gel around the rhinestones with a brush to secure them. Dry it afterwards. Coat the ring with the top layer and dry it again. There you go, Cindy! Look, I have a nice new ring too! And no one will find out it's made from nail polish. What if I make a whole boyfriend from gel polish? A new TikTok life hack inspires Holly. Clean off nail polish quickly with hot water. Sure, you got it! Take a bowl of hot water. Put a paper towel in a Ziploc bag and pour in nail polish remover with acetone. Put your hand in the bag and dip it in the bowl of water. The life hack will probably start working right now. Lillian quickly removes her old polish while Holly is looking for a towel and paints her nails blue super fast. Here's a towel. So, did it work? Whoa! Lillian, your nails changed color! Is that possible? What an amazing life hack! This must be TikTok magic! I want it too! A tragedy happened to Cindy. Oh no! My new phone is broken! How awful! This screen was so young! Ouch! Teeny splinters lodged in her fingers. What should she do? Cindy, stay calm. Lillian knows a TikTok life hack. Apply a clear gel polish layer on the cracked screen and dry it with a lamp. Hang on! I didn't want a manicure for my phone. Why heat a phone in a UV lamp? Calm down, Cindy. Hang on a sec. You'll see, this life hack works. Now Cindy's screen is smooth. Little splinters don't cut her fingers.
Wow.
You can type messages safely and make calls. Your phone is saved. Did you like our nail hacks? Then comment below which one you'd copy. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell so you don't miss new nail hacks from Troom.